I'm calling on stage Chaka Chaka.
I want to assure you, say, you will not hear one English coming from me. Those comedians don't end. You understand? If they'll be like, Nigeria failed me. If not, I'm not supposed to do that. I wanted to be an astronaut. Yes, now for SS3 9 they come they beg me so that I no do mechanic. Teacher no day. Teacher no day. My manage mechanic. But it's a wonderful time to be alive in Nigeria right now. Please put your that for yourself. And on this medium now, Abby, I want you to and let on and know say if you know say you no go fit continue, die now. Suffer wey dey front. Who escape death last year go feel bad. But Nigeria Nigeria is not designed for poor man. So you know say for Nigeria if you get 20 million you no reach, you guide. You just guide me if I use and get problem comot. But Nigeria the worst way if it be for Nigeria na man. Every day now they beg God say my next word if I no come out as woman, I come out as dildo. Baba man life too hard. Baba man life too hard. Man come out as kangaroo. Baba, you know, see, if I be kangaroo, I'll be rather to be man, I'll be the happiest kangaroo you ever see. Baba, if you see me for Naija wide, I'll be motivational speakers for that kangaroo. When I see depressed kangaroo, I say they depressed. You never happy say you no be man. Bro, okay, man, I tell you, for all the male species, I don't they speak English. Na the environment. For all the male species, you know say na only man dey give woman belle, she go born, he go still train pikin. Yes. You don see he go to the waka with small pikin wey say in the train. You don see fowl one night be the worst. 7 8 children only the mama na dey train am. They need a drag man. But Nigeria, man like kai, we dey go through a lot o. My next word, I don tell God, make I no just man come out as mortar. Madman dance. Mad woman dance. Collect money for domot. You know say madman dance that same exact dance dem pursue am comot. Wetin man do man? Na why they tell women are designed to get away with things wey suppose kill men. Normal. Are you aware if you carry a woman to the hotel? This English thing don dey too much. Are you aware if you carry a woman to the hotel, 2 of una sleep, you no wake up again, nothing go happen to the girl? Yeah, she will even be a victim. Go dey tell her, my sister, I no know wetin God don do for you. Who knows wetin this man be wan do when you dey sleep? But as a man, say 2 of una, you and girl go hotel, you just wake up naturally, the girl no wake up again. No say dem no born you where to wake up. As you just wake up, you say she no wake up again, you go just follow the sleep like you go just follow dem dey tap you after this girl no wake up. You say no, na why I no wan wake up. Bro, because you no even know whether make police first come abi make boys first hold you. Baba, women are designed to get away with things wey suppose kill man. Na why a man, you know say to say Jesus na woman, dem for no crucify am. Wisdom. One deeper life woman don first go. But on a serious note, to say Jesus na woman crucify wetin? One crucify God daughter, the female child. No, nah. You get the way go flog am. Nebuchadnezzar wey change to Tarzan no do reach that one. Na Tarzan na. Let's say they jump for bush na wetin. Bro, dem no go. I dey read Bible na. Na why I even talk say, you know say me want to I smoke. If NDLA dey and I cigar. Yes, I smoke. So when I smoke, I dey read Bible. You get the way when I dey take see things. You understand? The high, talk to the most high. Yes. So I can't even read that Moses verse why God killed Moses. Yeah, do you know why God killed Moses? Anger. Now I'll tell you. Yeah, so God instructed Moses here to carry the children of Israelite out of Egypt. So as then they go, they come dey thirsty. They come dey murmur, Moses, you be like comot us for Egypt, wan come kill us with thirst, coke, nothing dey. Na Moses come go seek the face of God. No say God come direct Moses, say speak to the rock. Moses carry anger use that staff. Mind you, staff wey change to snake change back, no be fake. Use that staff, use am wipe the rock. And God said, I am the rock. See your problem dey. Now imagine God reaction. He say we are created in the image of God. Mama, if dem use rock, if dem use staff wipe you, how you go feel? So after say na wetin trigger God, God no plan to kill Moses. Na the wiping, God just be like, Moses, if you enter promised land, ma die. And when God says a thing, Moses just dey look promised land, light dey, people dey enjoy themselves. Baba, the pressure for this country don too much. Pressure up and down. Go just wake up say make you thank God for life. Another person don go post while you were sleeping I make $10,000. You go come dey console yourself, at least awake. You go come go post your own. No be like say na our nose big pass but we still dey breathe. Baba, e too much. While I was sleeping you make $10,000. Ma come do wetin na? You wey stingy. You wey the one when I dey awake you make, you no give me anything. Na the one wey you dey sleep you wan give me something. And Nigeria need to do this. If God bless you, go church, go give testimony. You no need to do make people feel bad. God bless you with car, they go post for your WhatsApp status, son of a praying mother. So me no get car, my mama dey twerk. No, na me no get car, my mama na DJ. Why una dey do like this? Why una dey do like this? Another set of people they suppose key for this Nigeria na Forex traders. Yes. They suppose just gather all of them. If I be police, I go catch all the successful Forex traders. I'll keep them. I'll keep the chart. That chart wey they say that they cram. That pattern wey dem dey see use buy Ferrari. May all of us see am. Because it doesn't when they advertise Forex for you, bro. You know say when they give update, e dey sweet. People wey dey learn yahoo know na if dem teach you yahoo you go think say you go become something the next day. Na when you start you go know say white man no dey Facebook. Bro, if they use demo account explain Forex for you, you go think say next tomorrow you go be B-Lord. Na lie o. Go dey tell you if you put $5,000 and market goes up, you made 10 times your capital. Market wey we no get. So what if the market no go up? Who are the hoe for my $5,000? You know they talk that one market. I don't go learn Forex before now. The guy say, man, I give her $100, man, teach me. I give her $100. Where are they? They teach me. Input $50 trade in loss. For my front. You know talk. Input $30 in trade, instant loss. The remaining $20 instant put and trade, instant loss. Now look me, tell me say our today trade na losses. Baba they teach me losses. Then they learn losses. Now the problem is that the guy don't they teach me losses. He don't they go 2 weeks. Now I confront him. Now I call him tech bro. How far now where you go begin teach me profit? No saying give me suspension. Say I no sabi talk. I dey ask you say I no sabi talk. Baba this country. Wait now I don't even tell myself this year. Say like this now, today is 28th of November. I don't mark, I don't stop to the listing advice. Bro, if you want advise me now, add money. Yes, so now caution fee. In case the advice later spoil my life. Baba, no be every advice. Yes. Yes. No be every advice they work. Oh. Now why when some people advise you finish then they add I no know cha. I just say man I tell you. So you don't know they tell me. Nigeria go use advice say they need they use come the advice they give you. Baba I don't see. The next person go advise me I go do as if I dey lis ten. I think they whisper I go blow am for neck. Yes, now me go start the killing just dey watch. You know say somebody wey tell me say nothing dey this life. I see 12.8 million naira for opay. Mama opay, I never know wetin dey wema. Say nothing dey this life, now you dey gather money. No say person get mind dey tell me say make I use 1 stone kill 2 bird. I carry the guy go outside now. Give am 10 stone make him kill 1 bird for my front. As if be Sam Larry. Baba, I kill one bird for my front. I don't even know how they take see this advice thing. No. Oh, take her, they come. You see why they listen to advice? Oh, take her, they come, they tell me, ma, avoid women. Wetin dem do me? Ma, just, they don't even say avoid transgender. They say, ma, avoid woman. I dey tell am, Baba, woman. He say, he know me, my mama. I know me, my mama too. Ma, avoid woman in general, Baba. You dey see am when him mean dey, I tell am, I say, bro, no be so dem dey take, you go specify the woman wey wreck you, mo avoid that one. You know say avoid women, say avoid onome wey dey stay for Sapa London. I don know say this one na bad person o, I leave her follow her friend. Na so na. You see why I no dey lis ten now that when him be dey hot, when him dey carry 2 3 3, he no know say women bad. E reach my turn to do threesome, say ma avoid women. Baba, allow them kill me. I tell am na me allow them. Besides, no be today women don dey kill men. Na so God create am. Yes, see Samson, strongest man in the Bible. Person wey I hear say use hand tear lion, man, no be a cookie o. Lion, tear lion mouth. Woman kill am, you think say na me go survive? It is a namigo. Baba, I'm ready to die. My own be say I just want last as I dey die. Me, I don dey use 30,000 dey beg one girl this weekend now. Babe, come and kill me. She say no. Say 70,000 last. To kill me? To kill me? Baba, she say 70,000 last. Bro, you don't notice that once you break up with girl, now guys go feel relate. You don't notice that once you break up with girl, yansh go first big. And I don't notice that. Yes. Now why I know they tell girls it's over. Chairman, you don't know, I don't believe you don't break up with girls. The way they take confirm, not true. You know they break up with girls. See, and now why I know they tell girls it's over. And they use something like, I need some time to think. You know that I'll dey for far, they observe. Any changes, I'll just come. I don't think finish. I just say, you're forgotten about me now. We will start again. Baba, you know, one thing for relationship, one sweet thing for relationship. Now, when we break up with you, go end up with who no reach you. And I feel leave this, they laugh instead. And I feel leave the, they laugh instead. It's something they smell, we no go know again. Bro, seriously, when get person break up with you, can't go end up with who know which you think they sweet. And they think na 2 ways, oh. Na 2 ways. No say my ex they celebrate birthday. Can't go post for WhatsApp status receipt where boy send that 4 million naira. I just know say this one don't really move on. I just know say nah, this one don't really where I want start from. 4 million naira. Bro, that's how they be. And when girl break up with you, life they be like Nollywood initially. Yes, as you break up with you go come they feel motivated to make her regret. You go come they do things wey you need to do before. You go register for gym. You go come they jog. You go they speak good English for the area. You go they feel say if you also maybe under 1 month you go make her and the girl go come they cry, they regret, they better not lie you. I wish they I see my ex, Baba. The girl don't, it be like na maybe the older girl that. Na me the girl don fine finish, she don fair, yeah, she don long, bro. I say, thank God say the girl leave me o. Girl when I tell say she will never see anybody better than me. And new boyfriend buy her car. Buy her car now, na me come dey beg for connection. Baba, pressure up and down. Yahoo boy collect my junior cousin babe. This morning come they meet me, they show me in business idea, say make I invest. And me come they tell am say me calm down. Na the first stage of heartbreak with that business idea. Except you no love the girl, girl break your heart, you go get one mad business idea. In my heart even so himself. He say one day sell pepper soup spices for hold up. I say 2013, get break my heart. I open chop, begin to the repair vibrator. It is in a clear eye. Now what they tell, see, if any girl dey with you this period, it's not by your power, it's not by your mind, bro. Now because you one day, you know fit force girl to dey with you. For Port Harcourt, girl when I carry go shrine, mo take oath. I swear to God, now for the shrine, the girl leave me. Follow another boy, you can do blood money go. Now me and the Baba take the oath. That doesn't get bread for shrine. And so they take the oath and they advise me. Bro. Now why they tell people Nigeria? See, check out Western world. Now why if you see Western world then they marry quick. You go say you boy 18 years, you don't fall in love. You never even serve. Girl never break your heart, nothing. Nigeria, no video rush fall in love 18 years. Everybody knows any girl will fall in love 18 years, just they start. Then go break her heart like 7 more times. Yes, so true love now from 26. You need to serve. Baba. Now why check now. Nigeria guy go do alright. They drive, get her 17, no go marry. Why? Because Nigerian girls, their love they based on finance, money. Once you no get, don't they owe her. Once you tell Nigeria girl I love you, she don't they see like OP. Yes, Baba. I go foreign countries. Ask girl, what do you want in a man? Yeah, waiting she go they tell you I need a man that can make me laugh. Something a poor man fit do. I need a man that listens. I need a man that smells nice. Foreign girl, oh, come Nigeria, ask one girl, what do you want in a man? He should not be stingy. Oh. Go even they add parable join. You know, give us never lack. Your papa they give none a lack. In they give now they see. Check any man where they check any man where they fight for girl. It no be Nigeria. Nigerian men, if you see any Nigeria boy they cry for girl, no be love. Now they get beat am. Go outside country, men they fight for girl. Oh, you go carry man, girl wey just know you never reach 1 month. Carry a picture, show am, ask am, is this your girlfriend? In they boldly they tell you yes, this is my girlfriend. Come Nigeria, woman wey don born see sweet. Carry a picture, ask am, is this your wife? Him go first ask you know am. Any issue? Because that time who you beat to her now depend on who him beat to her. Because you know if you rush go they ask. Now why they tell people if you dey in a relationship, take note oh, there is a difference between your man one and only and your man one in a million. Yes. Your man one and only na just you dey. You're safe. Your man one in a million, Baba man now you don't know. Man, they are 1 in a million, 999 day. Now that time go dey for relationship, your girlfriend go just post for her WhatsApp status, thank you babe, and you no do anything. No worry, your colleagues are working. So I think I should stop here now. Thank you everybody. My name is Chaka Chaka.